Are you making this common affiliate marketing mistake? You could be missing out on recurring income every single month that could add up to hundreds, if not thousands of dollars because of making this one mistake. You don't want to do that. So, in this video, I'm going to share examples of what this mistake is and how you can fix it right away. So, let's get started. What is this common mistake? You look for and market products that pay you one time. Now, I get it. We market something and they've got a nice sales page and we love the product and, we're getting money every time somebody buys. But once that person buys, it's a one and done. And sure, the commission might be a little bit bigger on one of those ones and done, but what I'm going to show you has the potential to bring you a lot more money over a longer period of time. So when you do just the one and done, you're constantly churning and burning, trying to bring more people in, bring more people in, bring more people in. And because the price point might be a little bit higher, you're going to be the price might be a limiting factor for a lot of people, no matter how great that the content is inside. So what I like to do is I like to focus on products that are products and services that are membership based, that have a recurring monthly income. And what happens is we're going to spend all this time marketing. Doesn't it make sense to bring them into something that we believe in, that's high integrity and high value, but that we're also going to continue to get paid over and over and over every single month like clockwork? And as they continue to be in there and we add more people in, those checks are going to get larger and larger and larger. Makes sense? Makes perfect sense to me. So here are the 5 things that I look for when I'm vetting some type of a community-based product or service. Now I'm going to read these because if I don't, I'm going to screw them up and then I'll get lost, and we don't want to have that happen, right? So I'm just going to count it being old. Okay. So here's what do I look for? Number 1 is that the membership is based on a monthly dues. I focus on those that are $50 or less per month. Why? Because the retention is greater. So I'm looking at long term. So if they can join at $50 a month and have the option of making 30, 40, or 50% affiliate income as well, once they start marketing it, they're going to stay in, and it's only going to take probably under 30 days if they follow the system where they're actually into profit and their membership is paid for and they're still making money beyond. Make sense? Okay, number 2, content is fresh and relevant. Just because you can run it through Chat GPT doesn't mean that it's new content. It's just a rehash of the other stuff. So we need to be focused on what's working now. What's working now? That's what people are looking for. But they don't know the difference. And so if they're newer to this, or they haven't been to expose as many programs and everything as we have been, if they haven't been, sucked into a really great sales page, and then you get in after you spend the money and it doesn't deliver and we're disappointed, it doesn't do any good. We're not going to feel good about that. So we want content that's fresh, that's relevant, and is current with what's happening today on social media. The third thing we're going to look at is lead magnets and landing pages. I don't want to create the content. I don't want to have to do all of that stuff. I want to be able to go and have a system where I'm spending maybe 40 minutes a day marketing something, leads are coming in, and ta-da, my monthly income is increasing. So by having these lead magnets, we also want to make sure that we've got landing pages that convert. Just because somebody's got a great landing page doesn't mean that it's converting. So we need to look at some of the stats. We need to talk to some of the members, maybe even if it's a $10 a month program, join for $10, give it a kick, like you would the tire in a car lot, and just kind of get a gut feel for, does this make sense, before you invest a lot of time and energy into it. And I promise, in the one that I'm going to link down below, I think you'll find it pretty incredible. So the 4th thing is new content. So we want to be adding new content on a regular basis. Your membership site that we're marketing should not be stagnant. It should not get stale. So the one that I really, really love, and this is one that, and it's similar to one that I had marketed before. What's really cool is that there's a free weekly training. Now, this training is about 30 minutes, and we can invite all these people to the training. This is real training with real ideas, real tips, and real strategies. Now, she's going to seed in there a little bit about becoming a member, but it's real training. It's not some kind of a sales pitch posing as a training. So even if somebody doesn't join, and there's going to be people who don't join the membership after watching the video or watching the training, but guess what? They're walking away with real content and real information that they can apply immediately. And instead of saying, oh, that was a waste of my time, they're going to say, wow, I'm glad I was there for that. And isn't that what we want? And then the fifth thing is going to be the follow up. I know not everybody is great at follow up. We don't know what to say in an email, or we don't know what to say in a DM, or any of these other kinds of things. Well, not only does that training exist within this membership site where we can learn it, but the done for you. She has a series of emails that once somebody opts into as a lead for one of the lead magnets or the free training, whatever it is that you're marketing, they're going to be put on a list, and they're going to start getting messages that encourage them to join, to check out the next training, to check this out, that out, whatever else is going on that's coming up next. And the beauty is that because they signed up underneath you, they are cookie to you. So when they do join, even if it's 6 months from now, you still get credit for that, and you're still going to be paid a commission on that. In addition, there's upsells and additional products and services that are offered and will be offered. And on all of those things, if one of the people that we bring in chooses to do the upsell, we're going to also get paid a commission on that, even if we haven't sent an email to that person marketing it. I mean, isn't that pretty cool? So that way we've got it really covered. So if you're super busy, or you're just non-techie and you don't know what else to do, this has got you covered. But the beauty of this is that you can start building that residual income. And if you're consistent in what you're doing and in your marketing and inviting people just to the free trainings, to nothing else, you're going to see a growth in your income, your recurring income from a membership site as an affiliate, just because of that. Now, obviously, I cannot make income claims. I'm not trying to make income claims, because it depends on, are you actually doing the work? I mean, you can't sit there and say, oh, and think that man is going to rain down on you and all of a sudden it's going to work. You have to do the work. That's just the reality of it. But I can tell you my results. So in a 6-month period, I started from $0 to $3,000. And here's what I did. I marketed the free weekly trainings. And I did it consistently. And I built an email list as I was doing it. And I put it out on social, and I found fun ways to do it on social so that people were paying attention and stopped the scroll. I would use LinkedIn a little bit and send messages. And as a result, over those 6 months, more and more people joined the membership because they went to the free training. And it wasn't me selling it. It was the person doing the free training who kind of showed some of the information and sold them on the value of what was in there. And because there's no contract, people kept joining and joining. Then as upsells became available and additional things to purchase, when the people that I brought in purchased, now all of a sudden I'm also getting commissions from them, and I didn't even know that they had purchased anything extra. I mean, seriously, how cool is that? So if you're looking at a way to take your affiliate marketing and digital marketing business to the next level, if you're looking at a way to create recurring monthly income without having to sell your soul, without having to create your own products, without auto ships, without building a team or anything like that, I beg you to please check this out. Your future bank account could thank you very much for it. And I think that you would be very happy. And of course, because you would join from me, I would always be there to answer your questions. Affiliate marketing, don't make this common mistake. Make sure that you're looking for continuity programs so you're setting yourself up for increased income over time, so that you can truly have and live the lifestyle that you desire. Now, before I go, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification, so that when I come out back on next week and I do another video and I talk about other things, you'll be able to hear and be notified what it is, so you can check it out if you want. And also, if you have comments or questions below, I would love to have those and I would make sure that I get back to you and answer that. So I'm Sue Henry with Sue Henry Talks. Please don't make this common affiliate marketing mistake. Make sure that you're looking and marketing continuity programs as well. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.